Hey bitches, it's me. If you can't tell, you're sitting at a way better angle because I finally got a tripod! Being professional! Today I'm getting ready for absolutely nothing because that is what my life entails. It's very, very boring because I moved to a city where I don't know anyone. I know like all my family is like an hour away from me and I just don't want to make that drive all the time. And I'm close with them, but like only when my mom's there, you know, like it's a little awkward just showing up by myself. Not gonna lie, your girl has been very down recently. These cats have been helping a lot because they like love me, and I don't feel that anymore because I get no social interaction besides when I go to work, like on the weekends mainly. So this is like my only outlet where I feel like I have people that like me, you know? And you know, it might look like I'm thriving because I'm getting like a lot of likes on these videos, got a little brand deal type of thing. But social media is very much just a highlight reel, and I only really come on here when I'm feeling okay or in like a happy mood and show the good parts, which I feel like most people do. So if you're like down bad or sad, just know you're not alone at all. I think it just stems from me not being in college and constantly seeing everyone go out all the time with like all these friends, and I'm like just not doing that. I mean, I've never been the person to have big friend groups because let's be real, most of the time they're all talking shit about each other and I'm not down for that life. But I mean, you always kind of feel like you're missing out in a sense. And I try to remind myself that even if I did go, I would probably be very unhappy because nothing I want to do in life I need a degree for. So I would just be going to get that experience, which I feel like when you end up doing that, it doesn't really happen for you because you're supposed to go to school for like education, that stuff. And a lot of people do have fun, but I also see a lot of horror stories. And nowadays, I feel like it's a way harder to make friends because of social media and social status and things like that. So, I mean, I'm in the right place. I know I am because I wouldn't be here if I wasn't. But damn, this shit is boring. Don't ask me what the fuck I'm doing on my eyeshadow. I'm just trying to do something different from what I normally do because I'm sick of doing that, even though that will always be my signature. I got this James Charles palette and the brushes. Not gonna lie, this shit is good as fuck. Like, worth your money. But back to what I was saying, I know my time will come one day with that type of stuff, and I could be a whole lot worse is what I'm trying to say, but damn, if anyone wants to be my friend in the Frisco, Dallas area. So in the meantime, while I'm trying to entertain myself, I'm gonna try to make more makeup videos and things of that nature because they are really fun and I do enjoy like editing them and posting them, even if they don't get a lot of likes. I just think it's really fun. I don't want to come on here when I'm like sad and be like, hey guys, I'm doing a makeup tutorial. Like, it just doesn't sound good, and that's what my last few videos have been like. Why can't I talk? I'm saying everything with like an accent. But I've tried to make like my everyday in-depth makeup tutorial thing because I know a lot of people want to see. And I've just sounded the god awful. Like, I can't post that. So I'm actually going to try to do it tomorrow with a smile on my face, even though sometimes that is very hard to do. But these cats have really helped a lot, which sounds pathetic. But having something wake up and like love you and like kiss you, it's great. So highly recommend getting Siamese. They're the cutest ever. I do have more exciting things coming up in the summer, which that's always when I do a lot better. I'm going to St. Thomas or Saint something in February, so I'm definitely going to make content out of that because that's probably the most exciting thing I've done in a long time. And then I'm going to St. Lucia sometime in June, so there's good things. I don't know how I feel about my eyeshadow. I put like red glitter in the center. It looks a lot more sparkly in person, but the camera never picks that up. I went to Sephora the other day, so I'll do a little fast mini haul. I got the Glow Recipe Dark Spot Serum, Inky List Hyaluronic Acid Serum, Benefit Brow Gel, And today, I'm trying the House Labs foundation, and I've always wanted to use this, so hopefully it's good. I know it's not my shade, but like, I'm a lot tanner in person, I promise. It's such bougie packaging. Ooh, and I made a little spring sound when I open it. Come on, Rich. I'm gonna have to return this. This is like olive toned. I am pink as fuck. So today we're just gonna cover, oh my god, this is so off. Wow, I'm really mad at myself. I'm usually good at this. Light, medium, cool is not fucking cool tone. Hopefully, hopefully it dries in a better shade than this, because what the hell is going on? Besides the shade just not being correct at all, the coverage is like kind of crazy. You know I'm a full coverage queen. Hopefully my red blush will help salvage this and make me pinker, because this is just not my shade. And on camera it looks even more just like yellow. I'm Mallory Workman, I can fix it. I powdered my face and like I'm just gonna have to accept that I'm yellow today, so whatever. But I'm smoking out my lower lash line now because this looks crazy. I need to fix it. When I go back to my hometown though, next week for Christmas, I have a little photo shoot thing and I'm so excited about it. I'm gonna try to start doing that more because my Instagram, I used to be really on it and then I moved here and I just stopped because girl has been in her flop era. Also really excited to make a Christmas haul because usually my Christmases are really good. It might not be as extravagant as my last couple years because I'm like moved out and older now, but either way I know there's gonna be something exciting in there, so I'm gonna share that for sure. Okay, finished look. For not being my everyday makeup routine, I don't hate it, and I usually hate any other look on me, so success. I will definitely post my everyday makeup tutorial tomorrow though, so love y'all. Thanks for listening to me complain as always.